What's the meaning of Cuba? Cuba. Cuba.
Cuba. Cuba. Cuba is a country located in the Caribbean Sea, consisting of the main island of Cuba and several smaller islands. It has a population of approximately 11 million people and its capital is Havana. Cuba was a Spanish colony until 1898 when it gained independence, but it maintained close ties to the Soviet Union during the Cold War. Today, Cuba is known for its unique culture, music, and cuisine, as well as its political system, which is characterized by socialism and a planned economy. The country faces challenges such as limited internet access and economic sanctions from the United States.